Hey there, it's Darlene from DarleneStampinSpot.com, and I'm ready to share Club Create for October with you. Each month I'll choose a bundle or a stamp set, and I create 4 unique cards with it. I provide all the soaps and a set of crafty goodies. This is available as a subscription or as a single class. So let me show you what we're doing for October. This month I'm featuring the Perfectly Pears bundle. You can choose to add this to your card club if you wish. And if you do, I offer it to you as a discount, which is basically free shipping for any of the items that you add on. You may already have this bundle, or you can use stamp sets you already own. Let me show you what is included in your kit. I'm going to show you an example of, this is a previous kit. It comes in this envelope, and the card kits are packaged. Each card is in its own individual envelope, and you'll have a label with the month and the name, and then the QR code to access the PDF tutorials. There's a label on your DSP. And then this kit came with ribbon and an embellishment, which they typically do. And so everything, so everything is really packaged nicely for you. Like I said, each card has their own envelopes. Everything is in the individual envelope, so all the parts and pieces are ready to go for you to stamp and assemble and just have fun. Now, the subscription is $45, and it's charged to your credit card the same time every month. So it's the easy button. You don't have to think about it. I send you an email letting you know what the kit is for that month and the opportunity to add on anything if you wish. If you don't want to subscribe, you can pay just a little bit more and get just a single month. And that cost is $49 just the one time. There are loyalty rewards after 6 consecutive months of Club Create. And that is where you get a really nice package valued at $25 with products and goodies and all kinds of fun things. So for the October kit, let me show you the cards first. A lot of these designs can be cut straight from the paper, either fussy cut or with the dies. And then you could just supplement or substitute another stamp set if you didn't want to purchase the pair set. So here's a card. And then we have a fun fold. I almost always include at least one fun fold. Got this one, and then show you how to decorate the inside of that one. And then this is a fun piece as well. So there's your 4 cards, and you'll make 2 of each of these, plus you get 8 envelopes. Now, let me show you the crafty goodies you're going to use, and then use them to keep creating. So you're going to get half a pack of the Perfectly Pears Designer Series paper. This is 12 by 12, but it'll be cut in half to 6 by 12. This is the page where you can die cut all of these out, or you could fussy cut them if you wanted. But there's a die for each of these images plus these pink flowers. So that's pretty cool. This is one of my favorite pieces. I'm in love with this Secret Sea color. And there's Darling Duckling in here. Oh, there's one more piece. Here we go. So you get half a pack of paper, and then you're going to get a full package of the low profile sparkle dots. Aren't these beautiful? It's Darling Duckling, Mossy Meadow, and Secret Sea. And then you'll get half a bolt of the Mossy Meadow and gold trim ribbon. So you get half a pack of paper, the full dots, half a bolt of ribbon, and then the 8 card kits with your envelopes. This is your club for October. Now I do have an add-on for this month for club members only. So you have to purchase either you have to be a Club Create member or purchase the single month in order to get this add-on. And the add-on is these 4 cards. They include envelopes, of course. I include envelopes with mine. These pairs were stamped, and then the rest of these were cut directly from the paper. Okay, so you get 4 more card kits with envelopes. You'll get the other half of the paper and you'll get the other half of the ribbon for an additional $20. So yeah. So with the add-on to club, you'll receive kits to make 12 cards with envelopes, a full package of the paper, a full package of dots, and a full bolt of the ribbon. I hope you will consider either joining my Club Create for October or just taking a single month. I've packed a lot of love and a lot of value into the October kit featuring the Perfectly Pears bundle. Thank you so much for your consideration.